NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 6. If the points 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6, and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Answer. Let the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order be a of 1, 2, b of 4, y, c of x, 6, and d of 3, 5. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, the midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to the midpoint of diagonal BD. Now, what is the midpoint formula? The midpoint of a line segment joining x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us find the midpoint of diagonal AC. Coordinates of A and C are 1, 2 and x, 6. Therefore, x1, y1 is 1, 2, x2, y2 are x, 6. Now midpoint of AC is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to x1 is 1 plus x2 is x by 2, y1 is 2 plus y2 is 6 by 2. 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. Y coordinate is 4. Therefore, midpoint of AC is equal to 1 plus x by 2, 4. Now let us find the midpoint of diagonal BD. Coordinates of B and D are 4, y and 3, 5. Which means x1 and y1 is 4, y and x2, y2 3, 5. Midpoint of BD is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to x1 is 4 plus x2 is 3 by 2, y coordinate is y1 is y plus y2 is 5 by 2. That is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 2, 5 plus 5 by 2. Therefore, midpoint of BD is equal to 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. We have already mentioned that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other and their midpoints are equal. Therefore, let us equate the midpoints. Equating x coordinates. X coordinate of midpoint of AC is 1 plus x by 2 is equal to x coordinate of midpoint of BD is equal to 7 by 2. That implies 1 plus x is equal to 7. That implies x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Equating y coordinates. Y coordinate of midpoint of AC is equal to 4 is equal to y coordinate of midpoint of BD is equal to y plus 5 by 2. That implies y plus 5 is equal to 8. That implies y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. The values of the variables are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. Answering the given question, if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Answer is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3.